We have Mr. Suresh Reddy here, who's the marketing president of Krishi Rasayan Exports. We'll be having exclusive interview of Sir. So, sir, tell us about the introduction of your company. How did it got started, and what plans you had in your mind at that time?
Yeah, well, good morning, first of all. And when you see about Krishi Rasayan Exports Private Limited is one of the oldest entity in India. Have been in the industry more than 4 decades. And the coming year, the next 2 years, we would be celebrating our Golden Jubilee. Pleased to inform you that. So, almost you can say it is a 5-decade company, having a good presence pan-India. But there is immense scope for us to further expand our businesses across the geographies. And when you see, we have about currently 8 manufacturing facilities. Very soon we are going to launch commence one new manufacturing facility in Gujarat, which is going to be the largest capacity, almost 28,000 tons production capacity. This we are keeping in the view of expanding our business into the exports to the various geographies. And also very soon we are going to open our office in Bombay, in Mumbai, for the international operations. Okay, and when it comes to the our Indian market presence, so you know we are into the many crops and then the many products. But currently the farmers are having a very big serious concern. One is the BPH on rice, another one is the whitefly on cotton. And whitefly is becoming a big menace of the many crops. It's not only it's restricting to cotton. There we have a good opportunity. We are working on to launch products in that segment, and a few of them are already been launched, and exclusive innovative formulations we are working on. For this season we are going to launch our own proprietary mixture for the rice BPH control. Very soon we are going to launch that product. Apart from that, the current the requirement, if you see in India, looking at these kind of climate change, even this year also, if you see, the monsoon got delayed. So there is a kind of need which is coming up. How do we address this kind of climate change? Every time we are looking at monsoon is delayed, and timely it is not happening, and untimely rains which is also disturbing. So the fact is that we have to be prepared for that. How do we do the agriculture more productive manner in this kind of climate change situation? So here the kind of products requirement which are coming up, like the softer chemistry, how do we address the abiotic stress? So in a situation when there is no proper moisture in the soil, how the crops will survive. So for that is the major focus is going to happen. So the era has come into, apart from the crop protection, now we need to focus on the soil and plant health products. So our business now we are looking at, that is the area of growth opportunity for us. We are seriously working on that. The abiotic stress kind of a product which can make the crop survive and give the better yields even in a unfavorable situations. So this is the product, so which we are working out with a company called Alga Energy, which is what do you call your Spain based. We have recently launched a JV with them. They are going to be the technology supporters for us, and we will be giving them the support of manufacturing and then the marketing. So this is going to give us a good opportunity getting into a new technologically driven products which are going to help the farmer in a kind of a unfavorable situations. This is the product which we are looking at. Apart from that, over a period of time, the excessive usage of the chemical fertilizers have also reduced the soil fertility, and also the soil texture and the composition getting disturbed. Got disturbed already. So now, one is under the era of now the nutrient based subsidy. The fertilizer cost also has gone beyond the farmers' viability. So in that kind of a situation, we are also looking at launching the nutritional based products, which are like highly customized as per the stage of the crop. You can use those products, so that there is no much of wastage which you apply in the soil. The bulk fertilizers currently hardly 60-70% of that only is getting available to the plant. 30-40% is going to leached in the soil. So we are working in that direction to launch those kind of a products as well. And also we are tied up with various other companies in terms of co-marketing and B2B alliances we are developing. So in India currently we have a good alliance with two fertilizer giants. One is the Advent, another one is the Coromandel International. Both they have their own retail outlets. Their strength is the fertilizer, and they wanted to give our products to their retail outlets. So we are serving them in a largely in their farmers along with their fertilizers. This is the area of development which is happening. Apart from that, we also have started our own retail outlets in the name of Sankalp, which these are all the very different than the existing the retail outlets which are there in the market. So where we wanted to extend our support to the farmers in terms of giving the end-to-end solutions for the crop from the sowing to the harvest. This is another area where we are looking at our focus.
And what is Krishaj?
Yeah, Krishaj is our brand umbrella, which we have taken it as in the name of farmer for the how do we help the farmer. It is our whole theme is based on that Krishaj. So this as an umbrella brand we are taking, and this will be visible on all our pack shots. It was like one symbol of quality and the service to the farmer. This we are going to put more focus, and which will be depicted on all our pack shots.
Okay.
On all our packs where farmer can see. It is like a farmer as a if the moment he sees this is a kind of quality and then service oriented product. That's how we are building our whole the concept to reach out to the farmers.
So what are the goals of your company?
Yeah, goals, we have a big goals. We wanted to grow almost by 3x in the next 5 years. So we wanted to be one of the most renowned agrochemical and agriculture company across the globe. Currently we are known in India. We wanted to improve our footprints in the global market. This is what we are looking at. And the whole philosophy is based on the think locally and act globally. This is what we believe in that. So as what Mahatma Gandhi ji said, right? This is the
Your philosophy should be highly admired.
Yeah.
So how far have you been successful in satisfying your customers?
No, that's a great achievement. If you see, you can see across the geographies at the farmer level, the Krishi Rasayan umbrella, whatever the products we are launching, it's very much well accepted by giving a what we call a desired quality, and then the service what we give to the we have almost the extension staff which are reaching out to the farmer is almost 1,000 plus staff are there, and our products are available across the pan India is about more than 4,000 outlets.
So, do you have any role model to whom you look upon as a success mantra, something like
Yeah, if you see in India, there are many players who have demonstrated what is in India, what is India for the global market. Be it your IT industry, be it your automotives now, which is the latest one, what is going around, brought many things, taken to the geographies of the agriculture. If you see how they have made India shining in the global market, right? So IT was the one which has given a big way. Like if you see Infosys, Wipro, these are the people how they have gone to the global markets. So now when we wanted to expand your horizon, so that is the way it is not only in India, in the global market. If you can set in a few examples. So we are looking at, and as such, India is proven like the growing economy, which we are going to give a big what do you call in the big leaders like USA and then the China, where how we are talking, how we can become, India government is also talking how we can make a 5 trillion economy in the next coming years.
So, any plans to expand internationally?
Internationally, as I told we are going to put more focus on the exports, international markets. Not only as a what you call a tech and bulk, we wanted to develop the brand business as well. So more focus will happen because the Bombay is like hub for the if you want to focus more on the international market. So keeping in view that we are going to inaugurate our office very soon in this month. That's it.
All the best.
Okay, thank you.